Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing good because I'm catching up with you guys almost after a week. So today I come up with this look. I created this look for Ramzan, and this look can be wearable for any festival occasion. So to know how I created this look, then keep watching the video. Now let's get started. As a first step, I'm going to cleanse my face. For that, I'm using the Cetaphil cleanser. Actually, you can get this cleanser in all the pharmacies, or else you can get it through online Nykaa. And they are claiming that it works well for all the skin types. Actually, it works well for me. And there are two ways to use this. Either you can apply it like a moisturizer and let it dry, or else you can use it and rinse it off with water. So for moisturizing my skin, I am using this Nykaa Radiant Beauty Facial Oil Serum. I altered the moisturizer with the serum because I felt little dryness on my skin today, and I took barely 2 or 3 drops of serum and I'm just massaging it all over my face, and it really sits well on my skin. I didn't feel any kind of oiliness or stickiness once after the application. It really moisturizes and hydrates my skin for the foundation application, and I really happy about this serum. So usually right after the application of a moisturizer or serum we use primer, but today I skipped that step because I really don't want this makeup to stay for so long time. I want this to last for only 2 or 3 hours, so I just skipped that and I'm directly going in with this concealer from the range LA Girl and in the shade Toffee. And actually it is one shade darker than my shade. The reason why I am using this darker shade is to reduce the number of steps, because like I don't want to use the orange corrector and then the concealer of my own shade, so I directly going in and using the darker shade concealer. And now with the help of my beauty sponge I'm just blending the products out, and also I'm going to cover the lids using the products whatever left over in my sponge. So for the foundation, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Superstay foundation. Now I'm just pump and placing the foundation all over my face. And as usual, with the help of my beauty blender, I'm blending the products. And as always I say, please make sure you cover your neck and ear area. So next I'm going to use a normal talcum powder to set my under eyes, and also I'm going to press the forehead and sides of the nose with powder because that's where I get oiliness usually, and also I cover the other areas where I applied the foundation. So to fill in my brows, I'm using this Rimmel pencil. It has a spoolie on its cap. To be honest, I didn't feel comfortable using this pencil. Usually I use any powder product to fill in my brows, or else I use my brown eyeshadow to fill in. But today I used it and I felt really uncomfortable. And make sure you keep the front part of the eyebrows very natural. And using that spoolie I'm just going to blend the product. If you have any harsh lines inside the brows, it will definitely blend it out and it will make everything even. I think you guys can see the difference between both eyebrows now. Next I'm taking this Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics and picking that coral shade and dusting off the excess behind my hand and applying the shade on my transition area using the eyeshadow transition brush. And I'm applying the shade in the windshield wiper motion and I'm blending it well to avoid any harsh lines. And from the same palette I'm going to pick the lavender shade to match it with this outfit, and I'm going to apply that on my outer edge of the eye, and I'm going to repeat the same on my another eye too. Again from the same palette I'm choosing the golden shadow, and using my fingers I am applying it on the rest of my lid. Since the color payoff is not that great, I am going in and giving the extra coverage, and I'm going to repeat the same on my another lid, and also I am pressing the product in the up and down direction to bring the payoff effectively. And I also applied the lavender shade underneath my eyes using the buds to create that lavenderish smoky effect. Moving on to the eyeliner, I'm going to use this sketch type eyeliner. It is actually a dual purpose. One side we have a eyeliner and other side we have a winged eyeliner stamp. So it is actually a random brand I purchased through Wish app a long back, and using it I am drawing the winged eyeliner. And since it's a kind of Eid look, I thought of trying Arabic sort of eyes, but I haven't tried it so far, so it is very nervous for me to try it out. But one thing I realize is that we can easily extend the inner corner line when we are using the sharp edges like sketch type or pencil type liners. So next to tightline my lower lash line, I am using a Nykaa M Black Kajal. Actually, it is one of my favorite kajals because the texture wise it will be very creamy, deep in color. People who want to go with very dark and bold kajal can try this out. To give some life to my eyelashes, I am going to apply mascara. I'm not going to use any false lashes today, and I'm using a brand called Bad Girl Bangy from Benefit Cosmetics. It is a bit expensive, but if you want, you can get it through a Nykaa online shop, and or else you can order it with any affordable range products. In fact, we have good variety of mascaras in Maybelline brand. Now I'm using that coral shade from the Morphe blush palette to add some warmness to my skin, and also I'm adding some dimension to my lower jawline using the same coral shade. To prep my lips, I have used this Maybelline Baby Show lip balm, and I'm using the clean cotton pad to remove the dead cells. And now I'm going in with the Spaces Canada lip liner to outline my lips. And next I'm going to use the Nykaa lipstick in the shade It's a Date. And also I'm going to remove the excess product using the clean cotton pad. So this is the final look I created today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, then give thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also if you wish, you can subscribe my channel. And I'll meet you guys with my new video. Until then, bye bye.